Hi there, my name's Stuart Murray. I'm the founder of Botsii, and in this very short video, I'm going to give you a live demo of the MPG Phix Bot as part of the Botsii system. Now, if you're familiar with Eric Worre's 7 steps to becoming a network marketing professional, Botsii is actually aligned to those first 6 steps. So I call it GoPro, the Botsii way, the 6 steps to duplicating your network marketing business on autopilot. So what we want to do is we want to help you build interest. I'm going to show you how you can do that, how we give you resources and tools to do that so that you can be finding more people that you can be sharing your opportunity with. And we then dovetail that with a chatbot that's a completely done for you chatbot that presents MPG Phix for you. We've actually curated the best content to share with your prospects to overcome objections and to allow them to make an informed decision. And ultimately, for them to be able to join your team all through your bot completely on autopilot. You don't even need to always speak to them. We even have this where the whole system is something they can plug and play with as well. They can even buy, for example, the Botsii bot from inside your bot. So if you're looking at duplication, you just need to plug your prospects into your bot and you'll find the best people will come out of the other end and want to do the same thing as you. So let me dive in. I'll take you through it so you can understand how this will all work. So first up, I talked here about building interest. We actually have created things like this where you get 30-day swipe files specifically for MPG Phix. And this is giving you content you can share completely done for you. The whole of our system is completely done for you. So you can just focus on connecting with more people. So to give you some examples here, we have short form social media posts. You can use it on Facebook, Twitter, and other places like that. We have long form posts, things you can put on Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. It's not all about social media though. We even give you emails, cold market, warm market, and stuff like that. That makes it really easy to reach out to your contacts. Then we have video scripts. So we give you these so you can basically record short videos, reels. Either you can record it to camera or you can even copy and paste the prompts into AI tools and they'll generate it for you for completely free. We'll show you how you can do that. Then images too. These images you can literally copy and paste the prompt into sites like ChatGPT. It will create the image for you. And all of this content is basically non-branded around the company. So when you share this stuff online, people won't know what company you're promoting, creates more curiosity. They want to then find out more. And then we finish it off with direct messages. So this isn't just about putting content online, it's actually about putting content out there in multiple social media channels, but also being able to message people through, WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, SMS, as well as using things like emails. So it's a combination of both what I'd call inbound and outbound marketing. Right. So you've found someone that's interested. You've built up that interest. You open up some chat. What happens next? Well, you will share with them a page like this. This is the entry point into your bot. They will select what device they're using. We guide them through the whole process. So if they're on a phone or a browser, they'll click there. It jumps down here. They just follow the steps. If they're not sure what to do, they can watch a video. It shows them. If they're on an Apple device, Apple's generally more locked down and much more integrated. They'll literally click that button and it opens up Messenger and literally the bot will kick into action. So that will basically load. Here it's loading the MPG Phix bot, as you can see now. It confirms who has invited them, so that will have your name in here and starts to introduce details about the product. And they can watch a quick intro video. Virtually all of our bots will have an intro video so someone can understand very quickly what the business is about without having to, turn up on a live webinar or anything like that. They can literally discover it right inside the bot instantly. And so here, this will play a very short intro video. It's a couple of minutes long. Works really well as well on a phone. All this stuff does, which is great. So it doesn't matter whether on a computer or on a phone, works really, really well on both. And so here, it's sharing more information. It has bullet points. So it's really easy for people to understand at a high level how they can benefit from your product. And the goal is for them to watch a presentation. Now, if they skip that, Botsii will remind them later. Maybe when you share this with them, they're at work or traveling or with their family or whatever. So Botsii will remind them later. Then they come into the main menu when they can basically scroll right, they can scroll left, and they can basically even join. You can see that's down at the bottom. They can even buy, like I said to you, if you come back into here, you want to inspire them to take action. They can even buy the Botsii bot and do exactly the same thing that you've done all inside the bot because the bot will present it and all that kind of stuff automatically for them. So coming back into here, literally, they can come into here, they can contact you, there's setup guides, all that kind of stuff, and there's different presentation options. Obviously, these day and age, not everybody wants to turn up onto a live webinar. Very often, people just don't have the time or just get tired of doing so. But we do add those there. So if you've got people that want to really find out about the business, ask questions, we have live webinars. We even publish the schedule inside the bot. All of this is updated for you, so you don't have to worry about that. It means you can plug a brand new team member into Botsii, and all they've got to do is follow a process. They don't have to figure out where all this stuff is. For example, the videos, we can update those behind the scenes. I work with different people promoting the company in order to make sure the latest information is in there. So literally someone can come along here and access the latest webinar, the latest presentation, all inside the bot. And as things change, as there's new product updates, releases, promotions, we can basically swap out that video really easily for you. So all this is very, very cool. They can obviously join inside the bot as well. That's really powerful because it means you have people that come through and get started. You don't even need to speak to them in that scenario. And literally what we do here is we curate all the best information to overcome all the objections that people might have, so that you just simply need to direct them where to go if they have questions. And the really cool part of this is where they're looking at inside the bot. And we can plug them into social media as well and other stuff like that. But if I click here on, for example, product info, this is really powerful. We've actually curated here, product information, including, some of the science behind the product. But we've also added in here, for example, stories, so case studies where people have shared their stories. All of this is integrated inside the bot. That way you don't have to worry about where this information is. You don't have to be copying and pasting loads of content to answer people's questions. You don't have to be wondering what the latest content is for anything. Literally, we organize all of this and curate it for you behind the scenes. And you can see there, we've even got the Zoom published inside there too. So this is very, very cool. What this means is when you're doing this is you literally will share your bot with them. And you can see it says here, the prospect is triggered. And this is really powerful, because what the bot will do, if I come into here and press refresh, what the bot will do is it will actually send you email notifications in real time as somebody's coming into your bot. So you'll know when they entered your bot, you'll know what they've looked at, where they've gone, and all that kind of stuff. So you know who is interested, you know how interested they are, and you know when they are interested. And that is super powerful when it comes to following up, because it will basically sort and sift all your leads so that you understand who are the most qualified leads to follow up with, but you know when to follow up with them too. But it also means you won't be wasting time with tire kickers, because if somebody wants to schedule a call with you and they haven't even bothered looking at the content you share with them, you can literally point them back into the bot and say, look, go and watch the presentation and then let's speak. So you are in the driving seat here. Never will you be in a position where you're going back to somebody saying, hey, did you watch that video? Because you'll know that they've watched that video and you'll know it's the latest video. So this really does put you in the driving seat. So this is very, very powerful. What you're also going to get with this as well, not only will you understand, who is actually looking at your bot so you can follow up more easily and all that kind of stuff and stay connected, but we're giving you too as well the content to be able to build interest. So that's what this content's about. Now, here's one of the really cool things. If you want to get access to this content completely for free, you can do that. You can comment below the video if you're looking at this on the Botsii Facebook page, or if somebody shared this video with you, get back to them and they'll be able to share this content with you. You can get access to this completely for free. We want to help as many people as possible to be able to become successful and build interest in whatever company they're promoting, including MPG Phix. And equally, if you want to be able to automate how you follow up and use a system like this, then comment below too, as we will basically share with you how you can get started and share with you the best offer. So I look forward to welcome you inside Botsii. We have over 40 companies in the marketplace, and you can take advantage of this literally for less than $1 a day. You can get access to the system, and you can even earn through the system 5 levels deep when you share it with your team and prospects. And the cool thing is, it's the same product for everybody. So people can buy any of the products, any of the Botsii bots from you within the marketplace, and you will earn. So even when a prospect says no to joining you through MPG Phix, for example, you can still benefit if they implement Botsii in their own team for whatever company they're promoting. So this is a way in which you can also build another income stream alongside whatever else you're promoting. So if you like the idea of that, literally comment below this video if you're watching this on the Botsii Facebook page, and the bot will reply back to you and help you get started. And we'll also be able to send you through a link here too, so you can get access to this free content, so you can put that to use right away. All right, thanks very much for your time. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you, and have a great day.